that Segal case is there, classic case for the moral right. So, although you have given the consideration and although you have like now own that particular copyright, but you cannot display with a that you cannot do distortion, you cannot do the mutilation of that particular creation. Okay, that right is not given to you. So, right of integrity is another right. Okay. Next is the right of a disclosure. So, when this work will come into the public, right, because there may be chance that somebody have written book and maybe they have kept it as it is, or some poem is written, some other maps are created, right. So, right of disclosure is obviously with the creator only, and right of withdrawal is also with the creator, that they can take out that work, the publication may be stopped for that particular creation. So, that is again the right of a that author can have the like this authority, he or she can take a decision related to